Welcome to Yami's Kitchen. Maayong adlaw sa tanan. Magandang araw sa lahat. Today, I'm making a lemon turmeric chicken, perfect for Sunday dinner with family. I have an organic chicken here, which I bought from our local farm. I don't need to wash this because it just contaminates my sink. Pat it with paper towel to dry. Make a slit on every side to have the marinade absorb it quickly. Then pour in for about 2 cups of yogurt or sour cream to make the meat tender when cooked. Then massage a little bit and set aside. Let's make the marinade now, starting to zest the lemon in a mixing bowl. Then we'll slice the lemon and place this on the chicken, and also this can be cooked as well and can be eaten. Then add half a cup of patis or fish sauce, 3/4 cup olive oil or any oil you have. Then bay leaf, teared it into small pieces. Half a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika, teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of ginger powder. This will remove the smell of the chicken. And a teaspoon of dried garlic bits. Then sprinkle some black pepper. Then mix until well incorporated. On a big Ziploc, pour in the mixture. Then combine the chicken with the yogurt. Massage the Ziplocs for 3 minutes or until the yogurt and the marinade blended well. Place on the fridge for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes or so, take out the chicken from the fridge. Grab a cookie sheet and place the foil at the base to avoid steam, and line the sliced lemon vertically. Then place over the marinated lemon and bake on preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, bring up the heat to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 15 minutes. I take out from the oven and I serve this with dill rice. Muy rico and delicioso! Thanks for watching, everyone, and please don't forget to subscribe, likes, leave a comment, share, and press the notification button to get an update of new video. Thank you, ciao, bye, see you the next one.